Hello, my name is Patrick Schmidt. I'm the project engineer here in our sales team at OPS Ingersoll, and today we would like to introduce you our new developed Eagle G5 Precision high accuracy electrical discharge machine. Due to its gantry-type portal design and the full housing, the machine provides better accuracy and precision, especially in fully automated processes. The G5 Precision is equipped with an advanced temperature compensation and an active cooling system. The main goal was to achieve high surface finishes with graphite. Here, for example, we have a cavity with the size of an Apple Watch. Here we were able to achieve a surface finish of VDI7 with graphite. The graphite with which we achieved this surface finish is a very good standard graphite, in this case a POCO EDM3. With larger areas, here for example the size of a cell phone, we are able to achieve a surface finish of VDI11. The biggest advantage is our new developed generator with the multi-cavity technology. Here we have an example with 8 cavities. We were able to machine these 8 cavities with only 3 graphite electrodes down to a surface finish of VDI18 with very low wear. Besides the new generator, the machine has many new features we would like to show you in more detail in the following video. With the new Eagle Power Spark 1 controller, the machine has a perfectly matched control drive package for maximum dynamics and precision. For the G5 and the new generator, we have also developed a completely new offline programming software, the Power Spark Eagle. It runs on the controller as well as on separate desktop computers. It makes programming much easier and offers special features for multi-cavity jobs. The G5 is also equipped with our new handheld. It is more user-friendly and all machining functions can be controlled if required. The touch guard of the housing can be completely lowered and the top of the cabin moves all the way back, thus heavy workpieces can be loaded from above by crane. The operator has still a very good access to the machining area. Due to its gantry portal design, the machine offers large travel movements that allow to reach almost the complete area of the table. At no position it will be outside of the supporting guideways, which again is a reason for better accuracy. The standard machine is equipped with a 20-position tool changer, which can be upgraded to 30 positions. The machine is always prepared to be connected to an automation system. Here, for example, our handling system will change line. It also can be connected to other automation systems like Aeroba or 3R. Besides our outstanding graphite technology, with the G5 we have developed a complete new copper technology. The G5 is our new EDM flagship. It offers top-class accuracy, also in automated processes. You get a world-class technology which enables you to achieve surface finishes we have never seen before.